Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Gamers Tech. So guys, in this video I'm going to unbox a pen drive from SanDisk. Model number is SanDisk Ultra Dual Drive m3.0. It's a OTG pen drive you can use in your phone directly without any OTG cable, and you can also use it in your PC. The size of the pen drive is 32 GB and the transfer speed of it is 150 Mbps. I bought this from Amazon and it cost me around 560 rupees. Also, there is a link in the description if you want to check this out. So guys, if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up, comment down below and share this video. Also, newcomers, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get future notification from me. See you in the next video and stay tuned until then.